Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best digital kitchen scale is KitchenAid KQ909 Kitchen Scale. This KitchenAid food scale is a high-performance scale with a double platform design. Two different weighing surfaces weigh larger amounts up to 11 pounds and 0.1 ounces increments like flours, and smaller amounts of 16 ounces and 0.001 oz. Increments for ingredients like yeast and spices. Ensures perfect accuracy with scratch baking. KitchenAid scales feature smooth, durable surfaces that won't stain or retain food odors. After use, wipe clean with a damp cloth, dry, then store. Perfect measuring is easy with KitchenAid scales, which are all factory calibrated for precision, and provide results within seconds. From proteins to cheeses to carbs and more, measure out exact portions of nutritious foods, and keep better track of calories and food intake. Weight liquids, dips, spreads, and more with ease. The tare feature measures the weight of the food holder, then starts counting as anything is added. Scale can be powered off or will auto shut off after 3 minutes of no change in weight on the platform. Do not immerse in water or put in dishwasher. For best results, wipe with a damp cloth and dry thoroughly. Number 2 in our side is Nicewell Food Scale. This digital kitchen scale requires 2 AAA batteries to supply power. It will auto off if it is not operated for 120 seconds. The food scale has a separate tare button for calculation. You can subtract the weight of the plate or container, and easily get the net weight. Please don't wet the display screen or wash the whole scale in water to prevent malfunction. 9 by 6.3 inch Nicewell kitchen scale is better than other small scale because it has enough platform to weigh food. The hook design will not take up too much space and is easy to store. The stainless steel of this food scale is very durable and easy to clean. Try not to use metal containers for weighing, so as not to scratch the scale. For details, let's watch more. Third in our best digital kitchen scale list is Etexity Luminary Light Kitchen Scale. The scale features an IPX6 water-resistant design, allowing you to easily measure liquids and wipe the scale clean. The scale is useful for baking, meal prep, baby food prep, weighing babies and pets, weighing parcels, and planning DIY projects. The scale is durable and easy to clean. The Etexity Luminary Light Kitchen Scale delivers measurements in 1 gram increments, making it especially precise. Trying to accurately weigh liquids can often be a bit of a challenge. The scale features an IPX6 water-resistant design, allowing you to easily measure liquids and wipe the scale clean. You are able to weigh out ingredients from just 1 gram all the way up to 5 kilos. The cool blue backlight makes it especially easy to view and understand the results. The scale's slim design makes it easy to store on your countertop or in a drawer. The backlit LED display makes it easy to read your results from any angle. Our fourth pick is Etexity Kitchen Scale. The digital scale was designed with a detachable bowl, great for measuring mixed ingredients and tare measurements. When not in use, the bowl can be flipped upside down and placed over the scale unit to be used as a protective case, making it easy to store without taking up too much space. Trying to accurately weigh liquids can often be a bit of a challenge. When working to a precise recipe, any slight fluctuation can make all the difference. A miscalculation could easily mean that the entire dish is ruined. The Etexity Digital Kitchen Food Multifunction Scale delivers measurements in 1 gram increments, making it especially precise. You are able to weigh out ingredients from just 1 gram all the way up to 5 kilos. The cool blue backlight makes it especially easy to view and understand the results. This model also comes complete with a stainless steel bowl. Because the weight of the bowl has already been calibrated, it will not affect the results you receive. You can place any type of ingredients you want in the bowl, including all types of liquids. If you prefer to use other types of containers, the tare function comes in handy. There is also a special auto zero function. Simply place the container on the scales, set them to 0, and then add your ingredients. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Greater Goods Gray Food Scale. The simplistic, modern design of this scale fits right in with the decor of even the trendiest space. Looks good, and if you need to, it's compact and easy to store. Greater Goods' flagship kitchen scale provides accurate measurements and a sleek, low-profile design that cleans and stores easily. Scales for food are perfect for upping the quality of meals at home if you're an aspiring chef, as well as portioning out meals for the fitness-inclined. With a digital food scale, you won't ever need those measuring cups again, it will do it all for you. All of the qualities you need and expect in a kitchen scale: readings down to the gram, an 11-pound capacity, 4 units of measurement, and an easy-to-clean, smooth surface. A scale that does everything you need, does it well, with a little extra, looks great while it's doing, and is priced right. This kitchen scale has a large, high-contrast LCD and is easy on the eyes.